Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we headed for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'll be explaining my trading strategy, okay? It's super simple for now as I'm a beginner. I have just two main things, okay? For buying and selling, okay? Or basically going long or going short. Right now you can see I'm gaining up for my losses, okay? I made a huge loss and my account balance was on an average of 13,000, okay. So I went below and I reached at 6,000. I made around 5,000 in loss, by $7,000 in loss, okay. But I'm gaining up for it now and I'm making 10,652, okay. It went even below, so my account balance went super below. It went in negative values, okay, and I'm gaining up for it, which I'm really happy for. You have to be patient, right? And yeah, trading is not a fun thing, right? It's, you have to gain for the risk also. It's not always win-win. You're going to lose sometimes, but you're supposed to make up for it and never give up in life. So I bought 50 units, okay, and yeah, 15 units. Okay, let me explain my trading. So right now the highest high was at here, okay. This is the highest high. So what I did, I focus on the high. My trading strategy is basically focusing on the highest high, the middlemost value, and the lowest low, okay. So let me show you. I'll put the highest high, okay. So the highest high was here. This is the highest high line, okay. We just put it over here so that it's easier to see, and we have it right over there, okay. Oh shit, sorry. Oh my goodness, got to click it there, and here we go. Okay, so that's our highest high now. Okay, let me just drag it and making it a bit small. Okay, as you can see here, the Bitcoin had reached over here at a particular time frame at 9 o'clock. Okay, after 9 o'clock it had reached over here in during the midnight of in the morning, okay, basically. And this is our highest high, okay. So it's basically here at the particular, it kept on repeating, okay. The highest high, we have it over here, and what we can see here now is that we are in the middlemost term, okay. Here, I'm so sorry for delaying my voice when I'm speaking. I'm a bit nervous also while making videos, okay, but I'm not going to stop here, okay. And we have, let me just draw a vertical line to make it more easier to understand. We have a vertical line, okay. We have it right here. Let's do two vertical lines. It's much more easier to understand what we are talking about exactly. Now let's I'm going to take a trend line and draw the middlemost value, okay. The middlemost is the middlemost line basically here, okay. We can draw it from here then, possible, and we're going to put it right over there. Okay, and now we're going to put a focus on the lowest low. The lowest low is already marked by Trader Trading View software, okay, and I'm going to put it right over there, okay. So this is easier for me. I always mark like this because it's easier for me to focus, okay. This is my super basic trading strategy, okay, to focus on the basically the middlemost, the highest high, and the lowest low, okay. So we can see here, I don't know, I think this is slightly bent below. Let's make it up properly, okay. Let me down here. The highest high is at the value of coordinates, so 28,374.37, okay. So let's put it as a price point. Highest high, highest high at particular time frame, okay. So it's at that time frame, and we are going to say okay, and over here we can focus on this, the lowest low, okay. The lowest low is basically lowest low. I'm writing capital because it's much more easier to read, right, on the charting software. So let's just take this, the lowest low, and we are going to put it over here, control V, okay. So this is the lowest low and this is the high. So I basically focus on the highest high and the lowest low. I always sell at the highest high. This is super simple, okay, and I buy at the lowest low. Basically I go long at the lowest low and I go short at the highest high, okay. And the middlemost value is basically to focus on the pinpoints, okay, whether it's going in a sideways trend like here, it's going in a sideways trend pattern, okay, not exactly, but roughly it is following that pattern, okay, for that particular time period, okay, around basically 3 hours, okay, during the start of the day after 12 in the midnight from yesterday. It was focusing at this, okay. It was basically going a sideways trend, and then the price went below 27,000, okay. It went below 27. That's actually pretty shocking, okay. And I've seen over here you can see the price point being leveled up exactly at the midpoint, right, the middlemost point, okay. So basically most of the lowest, the what we can say, hmm. Most of the price fluctuations happen at the middlemost line, which is at this thing. What is it? Let me just see the coordinates. I'm so sorry for delaying everything. Okay, I'm going to put that over here. Price flux. Okay, price flux. Okay, basically I'm going to write a short term so that I don't waste your time. Okay, price fluctuation. Okay, so basically the price fluctuates at this particular period, because you can see it went below and then it went up again and it hit this line. Okay, over here, this particular line. Same way for here, same over here, but here it actually went down. It caused a downtrend over here. Means most of people must have got profits over here, and I actually went into a loss over here. I went into a loss over here basically. um, then I went over here. There is this thing. The price reached over here where you know what I did? I actually got my account in negative values, right? So my account value, you can see it's minus 3,141. So I actually skipped over here. I reached over here and I stopped my order. Okay, I cancelled my order and then I let it reach at the lowest most point. Okay, so I started over here, or here somewhere, and then it went up. It reached over here and then the price started fluctuating again. Now it's actually in a sideways trend. Okay, you can see here if I keep the axis over here, right? Okay, and the price broke out over here and we have reached the middlemost line. Okay, so I think the price will probably go and hit this line. It's probably going to break out over here sooner or later. Okay, let me just make this line properly. I'm really sorry if I'm being too lousy with my words or anything like that. I'm trying my best. Okay, I'm a beginner right now and I'm focusing on being a better trader. Okay, so I'm sorry for the background noises and all. I'm really sorry. I apologize for it. I don't have the best mic, but I'm doing my grind. I'm grinding. Okay, so now we have reached our $10,814 in profit. I'm just waiting. If it breaks out, I'm going to take out my profit. Okay, I'm just waiting so that it slide. Even if a slide breakout, I'm probably going to take out. If it just crosses 11,000, okay, 11k. Let me just take profit. Take profit. Okay, it's over here. Let me just make it 11k. 11,090 cents. Okay, if it just crosses that, I'm going to let it go. Volume 100. And my stop loss is going to be probably in the lowest low because I'm not focused on that. I'm ready to lose $8,000. Okay, because I know trading market is pretty risky. This is my total simple strategy. Okay, this is how I see the trading market right now, because I want to focus on being simple for now and then advance my skill. Okay, as I go in the most advanced topics. Okay, so I think the price will fluctuate, but I think it's going to probably break out. Okay, yes, I told you, right? I knew it. So I gained a profit. Okay, I've covered up for my losses. Okay, that's enough for today. That's my goal is completed. Okay, I made about $5,000 above profit. Okay, and I'm really happy for it. Okay, I'm going to trade the next day. I'm going to give some alerts also too, so stay tuned. Okay, if you liked it, you are free to subscribe. I'm not forcing you. It's definitely your wish. Stay tuned and keep grinding.
Just took a Benzo, but I just want to vibe with my friends though. They don't put me up in no friend zone.